Today, I'm going to give you the secret to faster meal planning that maybe no one has told you about. Look, meal planning can feel hard a lot of the time, even if you're a consistent planner or you identify as a planner personality. It's just something that requires us to be turned on. It's a chore in our life, similar to vacuuming or folding the laundry. However, unlike vacuuming and folding the laundry, your brain has to be turned on to meal plan. You can't just zone out and think about other things or listen to a podcast. You really have to be focused on what's happening with your meal plan while you're creating it. And when you're doing a task that requires that amount of focus and then also requires you to make a lot of decisions, it leads to a lot of decision fatigue and mental overload. But one of the great things about meal planning is that it doesn't mean that you have to restart every single week. Actually, one of the best ways to make meal planning simpler is to stop reinventing the wheel every week and use a meal rotation. A meal rotation is exactly what it sounds like. It's a set of meals that you cycle through on a regular basis. This could be things like you have tacos every Tuesday, you plan pasta every third Monday of the month, or you simply have 20 family favorite recipes that you rotate through on a monthly basis. A lot of families accomplish their meal rotation with themed nights of the week. This is things like Meatless Monday, Taco Tuesday, Pasta on Wednesday, Leftovers on Thursday, and Fish on Friday, or Pizza on Friday, whatever works for your family. And then you're able to eliminate a lot of the decision-making process when it comes to meal planning because you're simply picking recipes that fit with that theme, and you're able to rotate through them every week or every month, however often you like to change things up. So weekly themes is one way that you could create a meal rotation, but you could also create a monthly rotation with 20 to 30 of your family's favorite recipes. One of our podcast guests called this capsule meal planning, similar to a capsule wardrobe where you only have a certain number of items to choose from, and then you're rotating through them to create all of your outfits. It works like this with meal planning in that you only have certain recipes that you're choosing from to create any of your meal plans. My favorite way to create a rotation is to basically use the monthly rotation method where we have approximately 20 recipes that we're planning from. But as the seasons change, I rotate in a few new recipes and take some of the old ones away. So right now, as we're transitioning from winter into spring, I am moving out some of those really hearty soups and stews. I'm moving away from casseroles and bringing in more salads and fresh vegetables into our meal plan. But it's still not a complicated process of creating the meal plan because I still only have a set number of recipes that I'm planning from every week. These types of meal rotations are great if you have a predictable schedule or just like your meal planning to feel predictable. If you've ever meal planned before and wish that it just felt a lot more systematized, I think a meal rotation would benefit you quite a bit. It's also great if you already find yourself going back to family favorites constantly in your meal plans. This just gives you a more repeatable pattern for when you're going to plan those recipes. And if you use Plantee, this is really easy to accomplish in the program with menus. Menus allow you to save meal plans so you can reuse them again in the future. You could use this for your themed templates and give each day its own theme. Or you could use this for your monthly rotation, create an entire month's worth of a meal plan. And then when you start the month, put that menu onto the planner and adjust as needed on days where your schedule has changed a little bit from the usual. Using a meal rotation could make your meal planning feel a lot more streamlined and simple, and it's definitely going to reduce your decision fatigue when it comes to choosing recipes every week. If you give this style of meal planning a try, let me know in the comments below how it goes for you. I would love to hear your thoughts and opinions on a meal rotation. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Dog butt in the background.